Tamim from Tamim Tech here, back in another video. Today we are unboxing the Apple Watch Series 7, 45 millimeters. So we got the usual unboxing style when it comes to Apple watches. So let's make this a little brighter so you guys can see it better. And I probably might unbox this like a fool because I'm not good at unboxing things without completely destroying them. So I'll do my best to be very gentle and try not to tear anything up because people like the packaging that Apple does. So far so good. I've never owned a blue watch. I've always gone space gray. So let's see, here's the band. Not that I might not stop wearing my Nike band. I do like this band, but this is different. I might rock it and see how it goes. Very nice color, blue and green, or abyss blue. So let's peel this off, peel that off. All right, let's come out. Okay. Yeah, not the best unboxer. There we go, just throwing the watch out on the ground. So here's the blue color. I've never had a blue watch. This is interesting. And I want to take you out and look at you. How do I do this without scratching it? Because you know, got the aluminum, not stainless steel, so it's gonna be prone to scratches. Push this bad boy out. Alright, there we go. Already got the screen all dirty. Here's that nice blue color. Looks very, very nice. So this is what a brand new watch looks like, because I've had my Apple Watch Series 6 for over a year. And it's gotten pretty scuffed up. Remember that liquid screen protector video I showed you guys last year? Don't do it. Don't get the liquid screen protector because they did not do a good job. I'm definitely putting film protectors on here or tempered glass or something because I'm not risking my glass looking like that ever again. So yeah, that's that. I'm gonna turn that on in a bit. And then let's take a look at the band that it came with. I am so slow at these unboxings. I'm about to probably fast forward this segment. There's the band. Looks good, right? Alright, so I'm going to set up the Apple Watch and show you guys what it looks like. And in the meantime, I'm going to put that screen protector on here too, made by Zag. Be right back. Alright, so. I was not able to apply the screen protector because, as you can see by their aftermath, the Zag InvisiShield screen protectors, I do not recommend. They are absolute garbage. The instructions make no sense. Nothing about that screen protector and its instructions make any type of sense. I'm stressed. I'm losing my voice. Don't buy that screen protector if you don't want to be like me, stressed and losing your voice. So I'm going to apply the band to this watch face. All right, the band is on, and I'm going to turn on the watch. Hopefully it has some juice. I'm really upset on the screen protector on here. I do not want scratches on this watch. I want to take care of it unlike my Series 6. My Series 6 did not get taken care of. I had faith in the liquid screen protector and it failed miserably. So we're gonna set this up and I will return. I guess I'll show some of the setup process and how it's going. So we have shared settings, and then just loads and loads and loads. I'm gonna fast forward this part. So I don't need to zoom my watch. I'm gonna turn that off. And I'm going to create a passcode. You're not allowed to look at that. So keep your watch up to date, the latest feature security, blah, blah, blah. And fast forward. All right. So SOS contacts, blah, 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 always on display. And basically that just means your display is always on. Install available apps. I want the grid view. And Apple Watch is syncing. So while it syncs, it's going to take a minute. So I will return when it's done syncing. All right. So my video clips, I think I deleted on accident when I was talking about the Apple Watch Series 7 and it's syncing. So it's synced, and I guess let's talk a little bit more about my impressions and whatnot before I go again, I guess, to actually review this product. So let me turn my tracking off. All right, so here is the product itself, and it looks good. It's a good looking watch. The blue looks good. The blue abyss along with the color and the complications looks good. The wristband is very, very comfortable. I've been enjoying using it. It's been very nice. And so far I haven't scratched it for the 2 days that I've had it. Still looks pretty good. I'm still wanting to get a screen protector for it though, and it should be coming in tomorrow, I believe. So that's just my impressions so far. I will be comparing this to the Apple Watch Series 6 before I have to trade that in. I got a few days before I can have to trade it in, and we'll get in trouble if I don't. So stay tuned for that. And the speakers that I mentioned, I will be unboxing, and I think I have to follow the instructions on how the reviews. I've never had the product sent to me, and I have to follow instructions on how to demo the product for the video. But all opinions will still be mine. Even though a product was sent to me for free, I will still be having my unbiased opinion on it and analysis, and nothing will be, I'm not getting paid to say good things about it. So hopefully it's good, and I do have good things to say about it. If I don't, then I will say what I feel and what is on my mind and how I actually feel about the product. Everything that I say on this channel is not biased. It's exactly how I feel about the product. And if I tend to skew one way or the other, I'm still trying to look at both sides. I can understand from my previous video with the Soundcore Liberty 3 Pros, it seems like people are a little butthurt that I don't have all the praises for the headphones like everybody else does. They are great headphones, but it comes with some cons that bother me. Not everybody else, but they bother me. I talk about it in my video, so if you know what I'm talking about, go ahead and check it out. And if you don't like it, hit the dislike button twice. I'm just giving my opinion, and everybody is hyping up these headphones and they sound good, but you have to tweak some things in order to make them sound good out the box. And certain things don't sound good, and certain features are not enabled when you only have one earbud in. So I talk about all that in that video. So if you haven't checked it out, go ahead and check it out. If you haven't, like I said redundantly. So that's it for now. Take care. Peace.